Let me tell you something. With these headbands that I got up in this box, honey, you better head on over to that website, Level Up. Watch the video, and you can see what's in my box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing a little unboxing of some new inventory that I have that I'm going to be adding to my website. So that's going to be posted to my website hopefully after I'm done recording this video. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. I do my best to post videos at least once or twice a week. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. You already know the vibes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So, I recently did a video on starting my entrepreneur series. I did how to start a lash business with little to no money, and I also did an unboxing of my lash inventory that I recently added to my website. So guys, if you haven't saw that video, after you're done watching this one, head over to my entrepreneur series playlist and check those videos out. Be sure to give those a thumbs up too. Also check out my website at www.lavishlookspykiki.com to see my lashes. My website, I have my baby hair sitters. These are perfect for wigs, buns, braids. If you need to keep your baby hairs in order or keep your wig glue tight, you wear this at nighttime. When you wake up in the morning, you take it off. Your stuff will be slayed. Laid and slayed, baby. So check out my website. But let's get into this unboxing. Oh, let me show you my baby hairs, okay? Let's take this off. Boop. You see the baby hairs? Do you see the baby hairs? Telling you, get your Lavish Looks by Kiki baby hair sitters today, honey. They get the job done. So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram, lavishlooks_by Kiki. Let's be friends. I do want to do a Q&A because it's well past overdue. I should have been did a Q&A. So leave some comments down below on things you would like to know about yours truly, and head over to my Instagram and you can ask me questions over there too, because I would like for my next video to be a little Q&A, get to know me, you know. So let's open this box. Let's see what's in here. Got some treats, honey. But get your baby hair savers, honey. They save baby hairs. They save frontals, wigs, closures. Keep that glue in order, especially on them hot days. That baby hair saver come in handy, girl. All right. Shit. Damn. Oh shit. Oh, sucky sucky now. Look at this. Yes, I am adding, if you can't tell by what's in my box, I am adding the rhinestone headbands. All the girls are wearing it with their weaves and stuff, and I think they're very pretty. It got me ready to take these braids out and go get me a weave so I could wear these headbands. I think they are so cute, so let's take them out the box so you can see what they look like. Okay, so let's get into these headbands, honey. Boop. So these are like the popular thing right now. Like everybody's wearing these bomb ass headbands. So I was like, girl, you need to add them to your website. So I'll place me an order. I'm not going to place a big order and get 100 of these. I'm going to start small, make sure the quality is good, and make sure they sell, and then place a big order. So to start off, I did 3 colors, right? So let's see these headbands. So these are the silver ones. These are fucking bomb. And like they're not heavy. What's this? Like velvet? Velour? I said velvet. They're like velour inside. It's not heavy, it's light. Do you see that? Isn't she pretty? I want to try it on, but I don't want to put it on my head because somebody has to buy that. So I guess I won't try it on. So I have silver. That's very pretty. I have black. Look at that shit. You see it, like it just glistening in the lights. Lights, camera, action, baby. Put this on like that. It's not touching my hair. Like, they're fucking pretty.
Place your order today, honey.
www.lavishlooksbykiki.com and get your sexy headbands today, baby. You better get them before they sell out. Everything on my website, my Instagram, everything I will leave down below in the description section, so you can hit the link and head on over and get you your headbands, your baby hair sitters. I have lash cleanser, lashes, lash applicator, and I'm going to be adding some more stuff to there. I have another package coming on Monday, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing on that too. So head on over and check it out. And it doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell. This one is what all the girls, look at that shit. All the girls are buying. This is so pretty. I love it. Get yours today. So I will definitely be adding these to my items. I'm adding it to my website today as soon as I'm done with this video. Well, I'm lying. After I'm done with this video, I gotta go to the car wash. Wash my car because a bird shitted on my window yesterday on my birthday. So, yeah, Leo season. So I have to go get a car wash, and then I'm coming back and I'm focusing on this and posting this on my website. So by the time this video posts, the items will already be on the website, and you can just head on over and make your purchase. Delivery is fast and cheap. But these are pretty. So I'm starting off with these. They do have silver. No, they have gold. Alright, so they have this one, the rainbow, the silver, the black, and they have gold. So I'm going to place that order. Once I see how these go, I'm going to place the order. And I'm going to have all three. But guys, do you see this? Bomb.com. Yes, sir. Place your order. That's what I wanted to show you guys. My unboxing of my beautiful headbands. Like I said before, I have an entrepreneur playlist. Check that out to see my other videos that I posted. And, you know, subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. Ask me a question, something that you want to know about me. Because I want to do a Q&A video because it's long overdue. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, you already know, be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Peace. Your headbands, baby. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Bye, guys.